All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Gilbert Brown signed shovel winner's choice. So we'll check the time, October 31st at 9:01 p.m. Going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have October 31st at 9:01 p.m. There is the list of our 11 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. We need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Dustin. Spot 9 is your winner. So, Dustin, please message me to collect your shovel. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, October 31st, 9:02 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.